Welcome to 68 Bergen Road, a well-maintained 3-bedroom semi-detached brick home situated within a quiet neighbourhood of Toronto's Dorset Park community. A patterned concrete front entry with stone bench seat and lovely perennial gardens welcomes you into this ideal starter home, and a main level with a wonderful, easy flow, well-suited for entertaining. Hardwood flooring flows throughout the open-concept living and dining areas that are flooded with natural light through a large east-facing picture window, and a soft, subtle color palette adds to the light, airy feel of these entertaining spaces. The dining room is additionally brightened by a contemporary light fixture, and its sliding door walkout opens to a generously sized backyard with a concrete deck as well as a garden shed, and which can be transformed into your dream personal outdoor oasis. The kitchen offers ample cabinetry storage as well as a pantry area, has plenty of counter workspace with a stainless steel sink, ceramic flooring and backsplash, and appliances including fridge and stove. The ceramic tiled entrance foyer has a coat closet, and the staircase to the upper level has hardwood treads, a carpet runner, and a half wall to maintain an openness with the main level, as well as a staircase window above its landing, allowing for natural lighting. The upper level features a 4-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a pedestal sink, and 3 spacious, naturally bright bedrooms, all with hardwood floors, large windows, and double-sized closets, while the master bedroom additionally features an elegant chandelier. From the kitchen is a French door entry to the lower level, which also has a separate exterior side door entrance. And this level features a spacious recreation area with laminate flooring, plenty of storage space, and a laundry area with washer and dryer, as well as a 3-piece washroom, both spaces finished with ceramic flooring. Within the catchment areas of Ellesmere Staten Public School, Winston Churchill Collegiate Institute, as well as Vendale Business and Technical Institute, TTC bus service is a short walk away, while numerous shops and services, the Kennedy Commons Shopping Plaza, Scarborough Town Centre Mall, the Warden Subway Station, and access to Highway 401 are all short drives away.